Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Hatch lamp is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing smart lighting solutions available today, offering a unique blend of ambient mood lighting, practical illumination, and smart home integration that can transform any space into a personalized sanctuary of light and color, making it an ideal choice for those seeking to enhance their home's atmosphere and functionality with cutting-edge technology and elegant design. Number 5. Hatch Restore 2, Putty. Introducing the Hatch Restore 2. It's designed to help you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. This smart sleep device offers a personalized sleep experience. Create your ideal sleep and wake-up environment with customizable light and sound. Experience a natural wake-up with its simulated sunrise. The gentle light gradually brightens your room, easing you out of sleep. Drift off to sleep with a variety of calming soundscapes. Choose from nature sounds, white noise, and more to create your perfect sleep sanctuary. Control it all from your phone with the companion app. Set schedules, adjust settings, and track your sleep patterns effortlessly. Its elegant putty color blends seamlessly into any bedroom decor. Enjoy a more peaceful and restorative night's sleep. What we like. If you're looking for a smart bedside companion that helps you wake up naturally and set the mood for your day, this is it. It integrates seamlessly with your smart home ecosystem, allowing for customizable routines and gentle wake-up experiences. Consider this if you value convenience and a more peaceful start to your mornings. What people say. The Hatch lamp has a sleek, modern design that fits perfectly into any nursery decor. It offers a variety of soothing light colors and sound options, which are easily controlled via a smartphone app. The customizable nature of the light and sound combinations allows parents to create a personalized sleep environment for their baby. Number 4. MediAcous Egg Night Light for Kids. Introducing the MediAcous Egg Night Light, designed to provide a comforting glow for your baby's nursery. It's the perfect companion for nighttime feedings and a soothing presence as they drift off to sleep. Crafted from soft, baby-safe silicone, this light is gentle to the touch and worry-free for little hands. Its smooth surface makes it easy to handle, even in the dark. Choose from 7 vibrant colors to create the perfect ambience. You can also adjust the brightness with stepless dimming, ensuring just the right level of light for any situation. Set the built-in 1-hour timer for automatic shut-off, conserving energy and providing a peaceful transition to darkness. This feature is ideal for helping your child settle down. This rechargeable night light offers hours of illumination on a single charge. Its portable design means you can easily move it around the house or take it on the go. The soft, adjustable light is perfect for late-night breastfeeding sessions, providing enough light without disturbing your baby. It's an essential addition to any nursery. What we like. If you need a versatile and safe night light for your baby's nursery, this is a great choice. Its soft silicone material is gentle to touch, and the customizable colors and dimming options create a soothing atmosphere. Choose this if you prioritize a comforting and adaptable light for nighttime feedings and sleep. What people say. The Hatch lamp has a beautiful and modern design that complements any room decor. Its adjustable brightness and color temperature settings allow for a customized lighting experience. The lamp features a built-in timer and a remote control for convenient operation. Number 3. Baby Egg Night Light. Introducing a portable egg night light, designed for your baby's comfort. It provides a soft glow perfect for nighttime feedings and soothing toddlers to sleep. Easily activate the night light with a simple touch. You can also set a 1-hour timer to help your little one drift off to sleep peacefully. Customize the brightness to suit your needs, with up to 200 hours of light on the dimmest setting. A special mode enhances visibility for outdoor use. Crafted from toy-grade materials, this night light is completely safe for your baby. Its anti-blue light LED protects delicate eyes from flickering and strain. The stable charging base ensures easy power-ups and prevents accidental tips. It can also be powered directly via a micro USB cable for use anywhere. With a built-in handle and waterproof design, it's ideal for camping or hiking. An SOS mode is included for emergency situations, ensuring safety wherever you go. What we like. If you need a durable and portable light for both indoor and outdoor adventures, this is the one. Its easy touch control and long battery life make it perfect for camping or travel. Consider this if you want a reliable light source that can go anywhere with you and your little ones. What people say. The Hatch lamp has a sleek and modern design that complements any nursery decor. It offers a variety of soothing light colors and gentle sounds to help babies fall asleep faster. The adjustable brightness and sound volume allow for customization to suit individual needs. Number 2. Baby Night Light Sound Machine. Introducing a versatile 4-in-1 solution for your baby's nursery. It combines a night light with 35 color options, a sound machine, and a portable design, making it a must-have for any parent. Help your little one drift off to sleep with 12 built-in white noise options. These carefully selected sounds, including soft music and white noise, are designed to be hypnotic and promote restful sleep. Forget about constantly buying batteries. This device features a 1,800 mAh USB rechargeable battery that lasts up to 3 days on a single charge, ensuring it's always ready when you need it. Create the perfect atmosphere with dimmable lighting. Choose from 7 RGB colors with 5 brightness levels, or enjoy a beautiful rainbow effect. It's designed to be gentle on the eyes. Easily control the light and sound from your bed with the included smart remote. You can also set the auto timer for 15, 30, or 60 minutes, providing convenience and peace of mind. Its cordless and portable design with a convenient handle makes it easy to take anywhere. This ensures your baby always has a comforting light and sound companion, whether at home or on the go. What we like. If you're looking for a multifunctional nursery essential that combines light and sound, this is a powerful option. With 35 colors and 12 soothing sounds, it creates a calming environment for your baby. You should choose this if you want a comprehensive solution to help your baby fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. What people say. The Hatch lamp has a sleek and modern design that fits well with various decor styles. Its adjustable brightness and color temperature settings allow for a customized lighting experience. The built-in timer function is convenient for setting automatic shut-off times. Number 1. Axolotl Cute Silicone Rechargeable Night Light. Introducing a uniquely cute axolotl-shaped night light, perfect for children. Its soft silicone design provides gentle, eye-friendly illumination. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, this lamp is safe for kids to touch and even knead. It offers a comforting glow to make bedtime more enjoyable. With its built-in rechargeable battery, this cordless light is easy to take anywhere. Enjoy hours of use on a single charge, perfect for travel or camping. Easily adjust the brightness with a simple tap. It also features a 20-minute timer to help little ones drift off to sleep peacefully. This super cute night light makes an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a wonderful addition to any child's room, nursery, or even for adult bedside use. Beyond the night light, its kawaii design adds a charming touch to bedrooms, living rooms, and desks, making it a fantastic piece of room decor. What we like. If you want a fun and safe night light that doubles as a cute room decoration, this is perfect. Its adorable axolotl design and soft, BPA-free silicone make it a comforting bedtime toy. Consider this if you're looking for a delightful gift or a charming addition to a child's room that also aids in sleep. What people say. The Hatch lamp has a sleek and modern design that complements any nursery decor. It offers a variety of soothing light colors and sound options, perfect for creating a calming bedtime environment. The adjustable brightness levels allow for customization to suit your baby's needs throughout the night. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.